Hey, Paar here, and we're going to have some fun on talking how to drive some free traffic utilizing Google for your AdSense, for your blogs, for your YouTube videos, for whatever it is. We're going to show you in this video how to do that and how to create ridiculous amount of traffic for whatever you're doing. So stay tuned and remember, click that subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified of all these cool videos. So we're back and we're going to talk about Google Communities and what it can do for you. It is crazy the amount of traffic you can get at no charge for free. We're talking free. I love free. And so we're going to show you how to do that. So make sure you're logged into your Gmail or your Google account. So we can see here when we click down here, there's all these different things. You can even click more. And there's Google Groups and there's Google Communities. We're going to utilize Communities. Let's see if I can get to them if I just clicked on here. It kind of goes through all their different products, but the easiest way to get there is just simply go into Google and type in Google Communities. So here it is, Google Plus, Google Communities. It's plus.google.com/communities. I'll leave a link below. Remember, leave your comments and questions below there. I love to answer questions. I love to speak with people. So we're going to go into Communities and just look at this. I've got different categories on here for different clients that I've used this for. And if you are in the content marketing world, which a lot of my students are that make a ton of money, if you look at this, there's 185,000 members here. Let me just blow this up because I want you to really see this. 185,000 members. 17,000 members. I work with a lot of fitness coaches, so 17,000 members here. Well, guess what? When you post something, those members are seeing this content. You know, on automotive, I work with a lot of automotive groups. 478, 691, very niche markets. You can go into whatever these are and make money online, whatever it is, health and fitness. Let's look in health and fitness, 132,000 members. I just want to show you one that I've seen that is over 450,000 members, and it's probably in my groups here. Here's one, 440,000 members, but it's not a market that I want to go into. But look at all these different groups. How do you join these? That's the question. Well, first of all, you want to find out what kind of group you want to target. So let's just target digital marketing, or yeah, let's look at digital marketing as a whole. And so we're going to type in digital marketing. So we're going to look for groups that are related to digital marketing. So it does a nice search. It's going to pull up whatever it is that we're looking for. And so let's look at these numbers. I want to join a group that has a lot of people that's in my region. And so I'm going to look in communities. There's people, pages, but we're looking at communities. So I'm going to scroll over and I'm looking for the big number. I want to see something that's relevant and strong. I know this one is strong. This has 26,000 members. How do you join? Well, it's not very complicated. You just join. Click join. Sometimes they have to approve it. 99% of the time, you become a member just like that. So let's go into this digital marketing community and see what it looks like. So here's what we can see. There's people posting different things about digital marketing. So typically you don't want to post and sell stuff. You want to provide good information. So I have a blog that is marketingagencysecrets.com. And we're just going to go in here and try to find a blog post in here that we might want to use. I use a lot of video posting, so vlogs with a V. But let's go ahead and click on one of these in particular. So I'm going to click into a particular category. Blogging for money sounds good to me. And I'm just going to look at this page. Do I have my AdSense? I have some affiliate marketing already here. I don't see any AdSense links. Here we go. Here's Land Rover. So we do have some AdSense in there. I'm going to copy this link. And I'm going to share this category, and it's making money, blogging, huge passive income. So I'm going to go into this particular page, and it is simple as going up here, and it's just like adding a Facebook post or whatever. So I'm going to say how to blog and make a massive income. And what I'm going to do is click on this. I'm going to add that link in there, and I'm just going to hit OK. And we'll let this load for a preview. And we're going to post it. So now it's going to tell us to select a certain category. I would say this is in a discussion, or it could be display, but we'll just call it a discussion. That's a general discussion. And then now everybody in this group is going to be able to comment on that, see that. You can add an image with this. Whatever you want to do, you can do different things. What this is going to do, people will click on this blog in this link to find out how to do that, and it's going to bring them to this page. How does it benefit me? It generates traffic for my AdSense ads. It can do a lot of things. It generates traffic on my page. But not only that, I've got videos in here. So if I click on one of these and people go to a particular video, it's going to create traffic for that particular video if they click anywhere in there. So this is a great way to capture traffic for free and not pay any money for it. Again, if you have any questions, leave your comments below, leave your questions below, like this video. I appreciate every one of you that watch. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're looking for a passive income or want to start your own digital marketing business, I have an incredible coaching business. The thing is, I only take 10 students each month, and that fills up very, very quickly because I work with each individual one-on-one and put you in a real business. So I'll have a link below for that, and you can schedule a strategy call with me. But I appreciate you again watching this video. Go out, create a blog, do it with your passive or your passion, what you believe in, what you have a passion to teach, and make some money doing it. You can make $100 to $1,000 a day creating a really good blog.